Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Awesome. So is this one chamber or two?
Two chambers.
Okay. So this is a split wall.
That's a split wall.
And you got it. What's the size cubic space on it, do you know?
3 feet
Okay.
per chamber.
Okay, nice. Looks good. Actually, pretty cool idea to do that. That way you have your own chamber for your sub. If any sub does have an unloading issue, you'll know easily.
Exactly. I had it earlier. I lost the dust cap off of one.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
so I knew it immediately.
Yep. Oh, yeah. And is this at 1 ohm or 2?
It's actually at 4 ohm.
Really?
I'm running this at 4 ohm.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So you're actually getting only a little bit of the power until you can wire down.
Yeah.
Okay.
I actually wired up from 1 ohm to 4 ohm because it's a 2 ohm.
Okay, got it. You don't want to run in 1 ohm. Yeah.
Sit the trap on top your nose, if you sneeze I squeeze. Got the extra doors, call them easy ease.
Hey, what's going on, man?
Hey,
Could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
Michael Bryant, 2 ZVX12s on a Stetson 8K with Yinlong from Excess Power at 14.4. Box is tuned to 33 hertz.
Who built the box?
I actually had a buddy build it for me.
Okay. Do you like it?
I want to tune a little bit lower, maybe.
Yeah. Did you do any SPL test on it?
Not yet, not this year. I'm gonna go get metered later.
All right, man. Cool. What's your electrical like? Sorry, last thing. Your electrical, your alternator, battery, anything?
My alternator is a Power Bastards 250.
Okay.
I got Yinlong 6S.
All right.
Resting at 14.4.
So you pretty good voltage then, sounds like.
Dude, I've been waiting to be.
Oh yeah. I do a lot of demo videos. Yeah.
I
It's the
know.
first time it slammed, so never been here before.
I've watched every single one of these.
Really?
You're the reason why I have the 8K.
Did you?
The Stetson, I got the voltage.
I like it. It worked good for me. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the exact reason, Mike.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, man.
Yeah,
I appreciate it. I know I keep
problem,
helping you. Yeah, I appreciate it. Is there a way I can get some sub flex with the back open?
Yeah.
But don't go full tilt.
No, no,
Just
no.
play it so I can see some sub action.
Yeah.
Some people would like to see that. Thank you for watching, too, man.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it.
Say she love me minute girl. She been around for a minute girl. I take care of you and your mama girl. Stay clean like college girl. And I did she keep it up. chauffeur. If I'm your Stephanie, you was my Oprah. We can be next, big Jeff. Will I ride for her? B, will I slide for her? C, will I die for her? All the deal, boy. You my baby. You got to drive and get you a chauffeur. If I'm your Stephanie, you was my Oprah. We can be next, big Jeff. Will I ride for her? B, will I slide for her? C, will I die for her? All the deal, boy. You my baby.
Appreciate the demo, man.
Thank you so
Yes,
much.
sir.